morning and welcome to my channel. I'm going to make a glassine bag folio to go in my keepsake journal on the inside page in the pocket. And I'm just going to fold this over. Nothing special. I'm going to cover the front with some old book page here at the front, the inside, I mean to say. I'll take that off. I think I'll take that off about there. Now I want to put some lace down here, so I'm going to take that off at the edge. And then I think a bit of out there. If I put that this way, yep, that fits nicely on there. And then I've got some lace here that a friend very kindly gave me, and I thought I could put this underneath here like that. I love these pins. This all came like this that she gave me, and I love these pins. No idea where she got them. Oops. Okay, I'm also going to ink round with walnut stain, as that's what I'm using on the journal. And then I'm going to glue this down first and glue this on top. And I'll be using my block or your 3-in-1 or your Fabri-Tac. I find that's the best that sticks for me. The art glitter glue doesn't stick very well when it comes to the glassine bags. Now, the next part is down the bottom here. I want to do a pocket, and I've got another book page that I'm going to fold in. And again, I'll take this off here. So there, I think, yeah. To make a pocket. Now, start off with, I need to just glue these two together. It just gives it a bit of reinforcement. See, I thought it was too good to be true. The ink's not, the glue's not working now again. A bit of work to get going, and of course it's all came plopping out, and you can see I've got blobs everywhere. Hopefully that will dry clear. Now there is one other thing I need to do with this, and I've got some of this broderie anglaise. I've had all of this stuff for years and hardly ever used it, so that is going to glue onto there. And I thought I could glue, or stitch this onto here. So I just need to cut a piece off about there. Not got a lot of that left. Now I'm also going to cut this off and then turn it down to give it an edge. A vaguely straight edge, and let's hope this glue works again. Okay, that's not very straight. I've got one of those rotary cutters on order. I'm hoping it's going to help me with straight lines on fabric. I got myself a quilting ruler as well, so I hope it's going to work. Sorry about that. I was starting to glue that and then a mozzie came along and all I had on the video was me with flaying arms, because the mozzies love to eat me. So I've had to spray my room and get out for a little while, and hopefully I've got it. So what I'm doing now, going to recap, is I need to let this dry because it is very wet, and I've folded this over here, and this is going to be sewn onto this as a pocket. So I'll leave that aside, and first of all I will get on with the front. And for the front I have this here that I want to use, so I just need to cut this up. Okay, I've cut that down to fit on here, and the piece that came off the bottom I'm going to use as a journal card in the small pocket there, probably. Can use all these pieces up. Then I've got this, which is a journal card in the kit to go on here. But first, before I do any of that, I've got, oh, take that off, I've got some cheesecloth that I'm going to put onto here. Then I will trim it up round the edges. I will glue it just in the middle, and then trim up round the edges and fray it. I need to get it to be held in place while I cut. Okay, so it's like that, and then this is going on top, on there. I think I'll do that first and then fray. And for fraying I just use my tool from Groovy. So I've sewn all the way around here. I just need to ink the top here, and then I'm just going to glue it down down the sides. If the glue decides it's going to make an appearance. Yes, it is at the moment. Okay, there we go. Now, I do have here some little pieces of ephemera from the kit that I thought would go quite nicely on there. Again, let's hope this works. And nothing's coming out. These are all from the kit as well. And I've now got to do the decorating on the journal. There we go. like that on the front. Definitely needed something. And then what I've got for in here, please tell me this one's going to work. Yep. I think what I'm going to have to do is fill up the art glitter glue, because I noticed it was quite low down. I'm just going to put that on there. And I should put something in between. Okay, so I have some ephemera to go in. I've got a postcard from the kit, and I've put some vintage stamps on there to go in the pocket there. Then I have various pieces. I've got a circle butterfly. I've got that. I think that is going there. This is going here. I've got a bee. That one there. And then I'm going to put this one here with this little one there and this little one there. Oh, and I've got this one, which is going to go here as well. So there we have it, and this can go inside a journal in a pocket, or as I'm going to do, slip it in the front. You could even put it across the front as an extra package or a decoration on top of the cover. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you all in the next video. Don't forget to hit all the like buttons, etc., and I'll see you then. Bye.